Hey everybody, Mark on the road here, and I'm in Winchester, Virginia, and I'm driving down one of these back roads here, and something I never knew about Winchester was, and I'll turn around and show you. This is the house of the famous country singer Patsy Cline, and right outside the house is a marker. Patsy Cline, country music singer. I never knew her name was Virginia Patterson Hensley. World famous singer lived in this house. She was born in Winchester Memorial Hospital on the 8th of September 1932. And as we all know, she tragically died at the age of 30, unfortunately in a plane crash, which a lot of famous people have perished. But here's the house. We have a historical marker. You guys can read along there, pause it. "608 South Kent Street." And they do have tours, but they're not open today. And here's the front of the house, and we'll go around back, see what it looks like. Nice big backyard. There's the back of her house. And just right over there is a memorial park for her, so we're gonna head over there next. So just a few steps down the street here. I would say this is probably Patsy Cline Memorial Park. Patsy Cline Memorial Park. And there she is. Come down the stairs, the first thing you see, "Crazy" by Patsy Cline, one of her big hits. Scan the QR code there and you can probably hear the song. They have a nice timeline here. 1932 when she was born. Overview of the park here. Great place to come here and sit and have lunch or music or just relax. There's a creek running through here. Of course, we were up top there across this bridge. It's like a bike path or walking and jogging trails. Very nice. Well, if you're ever in Winchester, Virginia, and you're a big Patsy Cline fan or just a big fan of country music, stop by the Patsy Cline Memorial Park. Very nice. Sit down here, have some lunch, and just enjoy the scenery. And I think that's going to do it here from Winchester, Virginia. And on that note, Mark saying, see you by the road.